Namaskar and welcome to Epaulettes Aviation. My name is Ronak. Continuing with our series of how to answer airline questions, we have few additional questions today. One commonly asked question being, where do you see yourself in a year or 5 years? The interviewer here is trying to gauge your ambition and realistic expectation. The amalgamation of both mixed with the development of the company will decide the answer to this question. The answer could be, I am a highly dedicated and committed individual. I see myself entwined with the growth of the company. As the company grows, I will grow along with as well. Of course, under the presence of our excellent trainers, I do see myself progressing and commanding the aircraft in the upcoming year. The following extracts have been taken by a book published by Captain Tomar of Desh. If you would like to see more of such interview questions or add anything to our channel, please feel free to comment below, like and subscribe. This is me, Ronak, for Epaulettes Aviation.